Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Python 3. X and ensuring the installer adds it to path. This lets the terminal call Python directly. Once done, install Visual Studio Code and the official Python extension so linting and IntelliSense work. Next, create a project folder and open it in VSCode. This scopes your workspace. Make sure the interpreter selector shows your Python installation. If not, select it manually, so the editor runs the correct runtime and libraries. You now create or open a Py file and write a simple script, for example print, hello, this verifies everything. Then, click the interpreter in the status bar and select either a virtual environment or the global Python. Virtualenv isolates dependencies. Once chosen, use the green Run button or Run Start Debugging to execute. The terminal will show output. If you need command line args or environment variables, set them in Launch JSON so runs are reproducible and repeatable. You finish by configuring Launch JSON when you need arguments, a specific working directory, or environment variables. This makes runs consistent. Next, install project packages with pip while the correct interpreter or virtual environment is active, so imports resolve. Finally, if something fails, check three things: the interpreter selected, path settings, and the Python extension output. These usually reveal the issue. If an import error persists, make sure you installed the package into the same environment, VS Code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.